Hello guys, this is Veneric and welcome to the Guide channel. So for this video, I will be helping you to create your own custom thumbnails for your YouTube video using the Microsoft Paint. But before I begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so you will never miss on our upcoming video. Additional info guys, if you have a well-designed custom thumbnails, it will have an effect on your video. It will acquire more videos than other without a custom thumbnails on it. So I will just type in Paint in the search bar below on my desktop. As you can see on the video guys, I am now setting the resolution that are required by YouTube for a custom thumbnail, which is a 1920 by 1080 for the recommended one, and a minimum of 1280 by 720 resolution for that custom thumbnail. As for this tutorial guys, I will be using the minimum requirement of resolution, which is the 1280 by 720 resolution. As you can see on this video guys, I have just downloaded the necessary images for this creation of custom thumbnails. For the design guys, it's up to you on how you will put those images, those text for your custom thumbnails. Just be creative on this part guys. You don't need to copy my design. So there you have it guys, you have now created your own custom thumbnail for your YouTube video. By the way guys, if you don't want to use the Microsoft Paint for creating your custom thumbnail, I know a site where you can also create a custom thumbnail for free. Just go to the website snappa.com, register a free account, and then find a category where it says custom thumbnail, and then they have a already pre-made template for your custom thumbnail, and just customize it, and within a few minutes you are done. Have it guys, you have now successfully created a custom thumbnail. By the way guys, what do you think on this video? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.